was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, the number two, oh conclusion. Number three is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. Okay. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, oh conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion.
These women. My bank manager. Scholar. No. My enemies will not get me. My enemies will not get me.
Good morning to you.
No money.
Abati.
My enemies will not get me.
Chief, good morning.
No money.
But you said that you will give me money.
My enemies will not get me.
Yeah. My sugar bone.
Scholar, go back and shut the door behind you.
Ewo, darling, what did I do?
It is people like you that after you leave here, my account will absolutely refuse to balance.
Chief, but you're a millionaire.
Scholar, go away. Look, why did they allow you to go out of school by this time, sir? Why?
Easy peasy. I told them I was going for an excursion.
Children of nowadays.
Anyway, Chief, I came to collect money for...
Look, I've told you, no money. Look, there's my bank manager trying to sell my house, and you are here. My beg you.
But you said you were going to...
Go, Scholar. Can't you understand? No money. Don't you understand English? No money. No.
Why, Chief?
Number 1, no money. Number 2, look, your father is a barbarian, a wild animal. He always carries cutlass with him. Look at what he did to me the other day. Look at it. Look at it.
Don't mind that old-fashioned papa.
Old-fashioned? Old-fashioned? My beggy friend, old-fashioned? If he's old-fashioned, then what am I? Your father and I are age mates.
Really?
Yes.
I did not know. To me, you're one fine handsome bobo with correct build and complexion. When you stand, All other men look like dwarf before you. Women who see you just go crazy with malaria fever. When I see you, my heart just goes gwagwalada like cow with mad cow disease. Chief, now you be cool.
Scully, you have started with your but that's it. But yes, what do you want, my begging friend? Have I not told you to always knock before you enter?
I knock, sir, but because you're very
Shut up there, yo. So what is it, eh?
The band pan is...
You for don't talk as this now.
Chief, just imagine the way he pushed me down. Chief. Chief, I am going. Give me the money. Chief.
What money?
For our trip to Shagamu, I will need a brand new coupon for the all-night party you and I will be attending.
Come and carry me. Come and carry me. Where is the waist that you want to tie the coupon? Where is the waist? That still be good. That still be good. Sure. We are talking about something more important. We are talking about coupon.
I'll tell my father that you and I had extracurricular activities and I am pregnant.
Jumoke, are you waiting for something?
Nothing. I think I forgot my notebook.
Is Jumbo bringing...
Idiot! What kept you?
Could you imagine that to be math teacher? Taking us maths by 1:30. Anyway, the party is still on, so I'll be there by 4 o'clock, sure.
No, make it 3 o'clock. I don't want my father to come and meet me in the house.
3 o'clock?
3 oh. Bye.
Why are you children late? Mommy, it was Jumoke that kept us back.
Anyway, I have to get to the tailor's place before 3 o'clock. Make sure you dish your father's food when he comes back.
Mommy, I have to go back to school for extramurals. The principal told Papa about it.
Okay, you can go, but only after you've attended to your father.
But Mommy, I have
Shut up! Oh. Ha!
Papa, good afternoon.
Where are your mothers?
Yagba has gone to her shop. Mommy has gone to the market to buy things. And Mommy CP has gone to...
Who is Mommy CP?
Mommy the last.
And what does CP stand for?
Nothing, Papa.
Ma, I beg you for her. I said, what does CP stand for?
Nothing, Papa. I swear.
If you swear falsehood by Allah's name, I will break this neck. What does CP stand for?
Papa, please, sorry. Nothing.
Where is the water now?
Ola is bringing it, sir.
Go. Why are you still in school uniform?
I'm going for extramurals in school.
Good girl. Study well, oh.
Yes, sir.
Extra. Go. Extra what did you say?
Murals.
Extra murals.
Murals, Papa.
Look, whether it is extravagant or extracurricular, you children of nowadays, you think you can use that common lie to deceive me?
Papa, I'm not deceiving you. The principal told Mommy about it.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
No.
Papa, sorry. Oh, where's Ola with this water now? What are you doing there? Eh? Junior Patafo. Idiot. Come, you can give Papa the water, his water now.
I'll tell Papa for you.
Go and tell. In short, fly. Eh? I kept the bag on your head. So.
Papa, this is the water.
Ola, what is the problem?
Auntie Jumoke beat me.
Radio Nigeria. What did you do?
Because I know something.
Hey, power! What do you know?
Auntie Jumoke's school bag is on the table.
Eh?
Yes.
Eh? Did you see what was inside? Radio.
No, sir.
The truth.
Just a little, sir.
Hey, radio without battery. Now. So go and peep into the bag and come and tell me.
Okay, sir.
Radio Katanga.
What's up, Robbie, my man? So you still around there?
So what's the deal?
Chill out, man. What deal?
Yeah.
Hey.
So what's the deal? What is the deal?
It's a party.
Eh?
It's a party.
It's a what?
It's a party.
I say what is the deal?
It's a party.
Eh?
It's a party.
Thank you. Now listen. Yeah, listen. Listen. We are going and you are paying. Eh?
Alright.
Istanbul is at the gate. I hear you are going for a party.
Me? Party in uniform. I'm going for extramurals with you.
Yeah. Since when did Jumbo start giving you extramurals? Eh?
He knows maths and biology.
Okay. I'll go upstairs and tell Papa that Jumbo knows biology, especially reproduction.
I'm not going to a party, yeah. Oh yeah, wait. Yes.
Yes. What is yes?
We're going,
And we're coming too.
Funny. How can he hear the beat?
Yeah, look, it's either both of us come for the boogie or you don't go. Simple. Change.
I wonder if Jumbo will agree.
He will. In fact, he has agreed. He's paying for both of us.
He did.
Yeah.
I wonder why he told you so.
He didn't. We got it out of him.
Come here. Why did you go and tell? Boo boo money. What happened to your neck?
Baby, it's like loving is getting a bit risky.
What happened now?
Nothing, they just didn't say anything.
Who?
Nothing, I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything.
What is it? What happened? Ola.
Brother Rabi, I know something.
Shut up, you're always knowing something. Come here. Listen, if you don't know anything, I'll buy you sweet. Eh?
How many?
15.
20.
I'm coming, Bero. 16.
18.
Okay. Deal, eh? From now on, you know
Nothing, no.
I will. Just go.
Papa, I don't know something, no.
Why? I thought you were going to peep into rebel leaders' bag.
I did. But I'm not talking because Brother Rabi gave me sweet.
All right. I will give you 1 packet. Now, what do you know?
Give me the sweets first.
After.
Then I won't tell you.
My beg you, friend. Come, tell me immediately.
Papa, I don't know anything, no.
Come back here.
Yes! Papa, they are calling me. I left something on the fire.
Bribery and corruption. These children are learning fast.
Is it because of this dirty smelling ice cream? Eh? That is why your throat want to go inside it, eh? Unu asabugo. Unu go no unu disgrace. Ngwa, sinenu. Come on then. Get in there.
Longer throat. You. Longer throat speaking of longer throat mother. All my enemies will suffer in this house.
Mommy, I know something.
What do you know?
Something about Hitler speaking.
Like what?
Mommy, is the ice cream sweet?
Tell me your story first. If your story is sweet, then you will know if my ice cream is sweet.
Oh yeah, let me taste it.
Will my enemies suffer?
Well.
Now tell me. Story for ear, ice cream for mouth.
For your ears only.
Good girl. Hey! For this Fuji house, all my enemies will suffer. Hey!
Useless children of
and father.
I beg you, friend. What did you say? What did you say? You collude with your children to go to night party.
See, let them come back first now. Maybe they go to extra mumu through.
Extra moral, my sister. Or maybe something had happened to them.
They went to a party where they are going to
Báwo ló ṣe mọ̀?
How would you know?
I have my sources.
How would you know? Always carrying rumors. How do you know? Zanza.
I don't know anything, no.
Radio Katanga. Always carrying rumors. You and her in this house, Ekwa.
Mommy, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Mommy, good evening.
Hello, children. Come in. Come in.
Papa, good evening, sir.
Papa, good evening. Papa, whatever Radio without battery said is a lie.
Yes, Papa.
So why don't you tell me the truth? Why don't you tell me about the extra party?
Chief, you want to kill her?
If you come near me, I will join you in the cane. Now, nonsense. Now, you did. Oh yeah, show me your books. Show me your books.
Books, Papa.
Auntie just kept it back.
Yes.
May your lying tongue stick to your throat.
She said that.
I beg you, friend. That's how you spoil your children. Like mother, like daughter. Now, what class was Beiro in at the extra party?
He was
Sure. Beiro. What dance did you dance at the extra party? Dance party. What class? Show you. Show me. Was that the dance you dance at the party? Was that the style you dance? See yourself. Come here.
Mommy, Jumoke. Was it not extra moral that you told me? Jumoke.
It was extra party. It was extra party. Oh yeah, show me your dance style. You will show me today. Oh yeah, show me. Show Next time, when you want to lie, you will remember my pepper cake. Peace.
What is it?
My peaceful peace. What's the matter with you now?
I am trying to look after my daughter, who you almost killed today because of that cockroach.
It is for her own good. You see, next time, she will not tell lies to her parents.
Thank you. Good night.
Please, wait now. Look, peaceful peace. I want you to come so that me and you can do laryngitis. You know, you are very special. You are the one and only. And
Chief!
Without you, there is...
Chief! I don't have time to stand here and listen to you toasting me in Hano.
Me toasting you. Me that has already got you like this.
Hey! Amaka! Leave me alone!
Say you will wake the children up.
Before Uncle, when you come out here disturbing me,
Let's go to my room to discuss it.
You and who, Kwan?
Me and you now. Let's go so we can mix up.
Mbao, I have a busy day too.
Look, I need your company, John.
Go to your other wives.
Peace. I beg you for you. Peace. 1, 2,
you want anything?
What kind of question is that?
Má bínú olówó orí mi. I think you are not alright.
I am alright.
Why did you call this? Do you want some medicine?
Ireti, stop disturbing our husband and go to bed.
Okay, mommy.
Abara eléyìí ò yá ẹ. To your room.
But mommy, you said I should go to bed.
In your room.
Mommy, I came here first.
Olórí kórí leléyìí. Ireti, get up and go to your bed. Dídé ọjà rẹ kó gba yàrá ẹ lọ.
Àkòrí bẹ́ẹ̀ rárá ni kò tẹ̀ ẹ́ irọ́ ni ẹ fi mí lẹ̀. Kò tẹ̀ ẹ́ níbi àìké mi ẹ̀fọ́ ẹ fi mí lẹ̀ jàre ẹ fi mí lẹ̀ wẹlé. Irọ́ ni mi ò lọ. Àkòrí bẹ́ẹ̀ rárá ni kò tẹ̀ ẹ́ níbi irọ́ ni ẹ fi mí lẹ̀. Kò tẹ̀ ẹ́ níbi àìké mi ẹ̀fọ́ ẹ fi mí lẹ̀ jàre ẹ fi mí lẹ̀ wẹlé. I'm not going, please leave me.
Go to your room. Go to your room. Come on, go to your room, jàre.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solutions. A Fuji house of